Bokia daddy. Bokia daddy.
Yes.
What are you thinking?
Wetin I no go think about? Wetin I no go think about? When we say they don't turn Nigeria to where Fulani people have now turned Nigeria to where the vigilante people are the one guiding police station.
Continue.
Instead of police to be guiding their police station, it is vigilante people that are now guiding police station.
Continue.
And all these what did they call them? All these people that call themselves elders. All of you that call yourself king of Yoruba land. You are still shouting restructuring. You are shouting one Nigeria. Upon all these things that is happening in this country. Hey, it will get to a stage if you people don't come back from that thing that you are shouting. Because the young people now, they are telling you now that this era of the young people of this age now is different. They want Yoruba nation. They want self-determination. You people are shouting restructuring. You are shouting one Nigeria. You, all these kings, all these elders, when it will get to a stage, all of you go hold your crown for head like this. You will pick race. You will run at the front of gun battle of Fulani. No say I no tell you.
There is God. Oh.
You hear me, Belebo?
Let it be your own dear now.
Okay. When it get to that time, all of you will know. You are shouting one Nigeria. One Nigeria kill you there.